someone who wants to build a career in digital marketing, content creation or social media, then today's video is going to be super valuable for you. Hi, I'm Hazel and welcome back to my channel Career Lift. With 5 years of experience in digital marketing, I'm here to help you understand career options, skills and growth opportunities in this digital world. Today we are talking about digital marketing trends in 2026. What is trending, what brands are focusing on, and what skills you should start learning if you want to stay relevant in this industry. So without wasting time, let's get into it. The first trend that is literally dominating 2026 is AI-powered marketing. And let's be honest, AI is no longer the future, it's the present. From generating captions, designing creatives, analyzing customer behavior, to predicting ad performance, AI tools are making marketers smarter and faster. But here's something important. AI is assisting marketers, not replacing them. Brands still need human creativity, emotions, storytelling, and strategy. So if you learn how to use AI tools along with your creativity, you automatically become more valuable in the market. The second trend that is still ruling the internet is short-form video content. Reels, YouTube, Shorts, and snackable content formats are getting massive engagement because audience attention span is getting shorter. People want quick, relatable, and entertaining content. Brands are now shifting from traditional ads to storytelling-based content. Basically, if your content feels like an advertisement, people skip it. But if it feels relatable and entertaining, people engage with it. Another major shift happening in digital marketing is personalized marketing. Today, audiences don't like generic content or random ads. Brands are using data analytics and customer behavior tracking to show customized ads, emails, and product recommendations. This helps brands build stronger customer relationships and also improves conversion rates. So, understanding audience targeting and data analytics is becoming a must-have skill for digital marketers. The next trend that is growing super fast is influencer and creator collaborations. But interestingly, brands are now focusing more on micro and nano influencers instead of only big celebrities, because smaller creators usually have strong audience trust and better engagement rates. So if you are planning to become a content creator or influencer, this is actually the best time because brands are actively collaborating with relatable creators. Another important trend is voice search optimization. With increased use of Alexa, Google Assistant, and voice search, SEO strategies are changing. People are searching in a more conversational way now. Instead of typing short keywords, they ask full questions. So marketers are focusing more on user intent and natural language content. This is changing the way content is written and optimized. Now let's talk about something that is transforming online shopping. Social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook are turning into shopping platforms. Today, people can discover products, watch reviews, and purchase directly through social media apps. For digital marketers, this means creating content that not only entertains but also drives purchase decisions. And lastly, one trend that is becoming very powerful in 2026 is community-based marketing. Brands are focusing more on building loyal communities instead of just selling products. Telegram groups, Discord servers, and exclusive brand communities help companies build long-term relationships with customers. Because in today's time, people connect with brands that make them feel valued, not just marketed to. So overall, if you want to grow in digital marketing, focus on creativity, storytelling, and data understanding, and learning how to use AI tools smartly. This industry is evolving really fast, and the more adaptable you are, the more opportunities you will get. And yes, if you are looking for an institute that helps you build practical skills along with career support and high-paying job opportunities, I have added a helpful link in the description below. That's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Career Lift. This is Hazel, and I'll see you in the next video.